3 minus 1 is just 2. And here inside this parenthesis we have 6 minus 1, which gives us 5. And 2 times 5 is equal to 10. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression, we have 1 subtraction, 1 multiplication, and 1 parenthesis. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so first we have to do this parenthesis, not this subtraction. And after this parenthesis, we have to do this multiplication and finally this subtraction. Inside this parenthesis, we have 6 minus 1, which gives us 5. So 3 minus 1 times 5. Now we have to do this multiplication because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Okay, 1 times 5 gives us 5. And 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 2.